Health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a common ingredient in Asian and Indian cuisine. However, ginger has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries among many cultures. Ginger has a long history of use for relieving digestive problems such as nausea, loss of appetite, motion sickness and pain. The root or underground stem of the ginger plant can be consumed fresh, powdered, dried as a spice, in oil form or as juice. Ginger is part of the Zingiberaceae family, alongside cardamom and turmeric, and is commonly produced in India, Jamaica, Fiji, Indonesia, and Australia.This MNT Knowledge Center feature provides an in-depth look at the possible health benefits of ginger, its nutritional profile, how to incorporate more ginger into your diet and any potential health risks associated with consuming it. Possible health benefits of ginger. Consuming fruits and vegetables of all kinds has long been associated with a reduced risk of many lifestyle-related health conditions. Many studies have suggested that increasing consumption of plant foods like ginger decreases the risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease and overall mortality while promoting a healthy complexion and hair, increased energy and overall lower weight. Digestive issues. The phenolic compounds in ginger are known to help relieve gastrointestinal irritation, stimulate saliva and bile production and suppress gastric contractions and movement of food and fluids through the GI tract. Nausea. Chewing raw ginger or drinking ginger tea is a common home remedy for nausea during cancer treatment. Pregnant women experiencing morning sickness can safely use ginger to relieve nausea and vomiting, often in the form of ginger lozenges or candies. During cold weather, drinking ginger tea is a good way to keep warm. It is diaphoretic, which means that it promotes sweating, working to warm the body from within. As such, in the wake of a cold, ginger tea is particularly useful. To make ginger tea at home, slice 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger and steep in a cup of hot water. Adding a slice of lemon or a drop of honey adds flavor and additional benefits, including vitamin C and antibacterial properties. Pain reduction. A study involving 74 volunteers carried out at the University of Georgia found that daily ginger supplementation reduced exercise-induced muscle pain by 25%. Ginger has also been found to reduce the symptoms of dysmenorrhea. In one study, 83% of women taking ginger capsules reported improvements in pain symptoms compared to 47% of those on placebo. Inflammation. Ginger has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation and treat inflammatory conditions. A study published in Cancer Prevention Research Journal found that a ginger root supplement administered to volunteer participants reduced inflammation markers in the colon within a month. Researchers on the study explained that by decreasing inflammation, the risk of colon cancer is also likely to decrease. Ginger has also shown promise in clinical trials for treating inflammation associated with osteoarthritis. 11 proven health benefits of ginger. Ginger is among the healthiest spices on the planet. It is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for your body and brain. Here are 11 health benefits of ginger that are supported by scientific research. Ginger contains gingerol, a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Ginger is a flowering plant that originated from China. It belongs to the Zingiberaceae family, and is closely related to turmeric, cardamom and galangal. Rhizome is the part commonly used as a spice. It is often called ginger root, or simply ginger. Ginger has a very long history of use in various forms of traditional, Alternative medicine. It has been used to help digestion, reduce nausea and help fight the flu and common cold, to name a few. Ginger can be used fresh, dried, powdered, or as an oil or juice, and is sometimes added to processed foods and cosmetics. It is a very common ingredient in recipes. The unique fragrance and flavor of ginger come from its natural oils, the most important of which is gingerol. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger, responsible for much of its medicinal properties. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger appears to be highly effective against nausea. For example, it has a long history of use as a seasickness remedy, and there is some evidence that it may be as effective as prescription medication. Ginger may also relieve nausea and vomiting after surgery, and in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. But it may be the most effective when it comes to pregnancy-related nausea, such as morning sickness. According to a review of 12 studies that included a total of 1,278 pregnant women, 1.11.5 grams of ginger can significantly reduce symptoms of nausea. However, ginger had no effect on vomiting episodes in this study. Although ginger is considered safe, talk to your doctor before taking large amounts if you are pregnant. Some believe that large amounts can raise the risk of miscarriage, but there are currently no studies to support this. Ginger may reduce muscle pain and soreness. Ginger has been shown to be effective against exercise-induced muscle pain. In one study, consuming 2 grams of ginger per day, for 11 days, significantly reduced muscle pain in people performing elbow exercises. Ginger does not have an immediate impact, but may be effective at reducing the day-to-day progression of muscle pain. These effects are believed to be mediated by the anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory effects can help with osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a common health problem. It involves degeneration of the joints in the body, leading to symptoms like joint pain and stiffness. In a controlled trial of 247 people with osteoarthritis of the knee, those who took ginger extract had less pain and required less pain medication. Another study found that a combination of ginger, mastic, cinnamon and sesame oil can reduce pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis patients when applied topically. Ginger may drastically lower blood sugars and improve heart disease risk factors. This area of research is relatively new, but ginger may have powerful anti-diabetic properties. In a recent 2015 study of 41 participants with type 2 diabetes, 2 grams of ginger powder per day lowered fasting blood sugar by 12%. It also dramatically improved A1C, leading to a 10% reduction over a period of 12 weeks. There was also a 28% reduction in the ApoB/APA-I ratio, and a 23% reduction in markers for oxidized lipoproteins. These are both major risk factors for heart disease. Ginger can help treat chronic indigestion. Chronic indigestion is characterized by recurrent pain and discomfort in the upper part of the stomach. It is believed that delayed emptying of the stomach is a major driver of indigestion. Interestingly, ginger has been shown to speed up emptying of the stomach in people with this condition. After eating soup, ginger reduced the time it took for the stomach to empty from 16 to 12 minutes. In a study of 24 healthy individuals, 1.2 grams of ginger powder before a meal accelerated emptying of the stomach by 50%. Ginger powder may significantly reduce menstrual pain. Menstrual pain refers to pain felt during a woman's menstrual cycle. One of the traditional uses of ginger is for pain relief, including menstrual pain. In one study, 150 women were instructed to take 1 gram of ginger powder per day, for the first 3 days of the menstrual period. Ginger managed to reduce pain as effectively as the drugs mefenamic acid and ibuprofen. Ginger may lower cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL lipoproteins are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. The foods you eat can have a strong influence on LDL levels. In a 45-day study of 85 individuals with high cholesterol, 3 grams of ginger powder caused significant reductions in most cholesterol markers. This is supported by a study in hypothyroid rats, where ginger extract lowered LDL cholesterol to a similar extent as the cholesterol-lowering drug atorvastatin. Both studies also showed reductions in total cholesterol and blood triglycerides. Ginger contains a substance that may help prevent cancer. Cancer is a very serious disease that is characterized by uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells. Ginger extract has been studied as an alternative treatment for several forms of cancer. The anti-cancer properties are attributed to 6-gingerol, a substance that is found in large amounts in raw ginger. In a study of 30 individuals, 2 grams of ginger extract per day significantly reduced pro-inflammatory signaling molecules in the colon. However, a follow-up study in individuals at a high risk of colon cancer did not confirm these findings. There is some, albeit limited, evidence that ginger may be effective against pancreatic cancer, breast cancer, and ovarian cancer. More research is needed. Ginger may improve brain function and protect against Alzheimer's disease. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation can accelerate the aging process. They are believed to be among the key drivers of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. Some studies in animals suggest that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. There is also some evidence that ginger can enhance brain function directly. In a study of 60 middle-aged women, ginger extract was shown to improve reaction time and working memory. There are also numerous studies in animals showing that ginger can protect against age-related decline in brain function. The active ingredient in ginger can help fight infections. Gingerol, the bioactive substance in fresh ginger, can help lower the risk of infections. In fact, ginger extract can inhibit the growth of many different types of bacteria. It is very effective against the oral bacteria linked to inflammatory diseases in the gums, such as gingivitis and periodontitis. Fresh ginger may also be effective against the RSV virus, a common cause of respiratory infections. Best ways to use ginger. There are many forms and ways you can use ginger to benefit for your health. The most common forms of ginger include raw ginger. You can put raw sliced ginger in a smoothie every morning or use it in making homemade vegetable juice. Ginger essential oil. The most potent form of ginger is ginger essential oil because it contains the highest levels of gingerol. This is the #1 way ginger can be used as medicine. It can be taken internally to treat health conditions or rubbed topically with a carrier oil on an area of pain. Typically, 2 to 3 drops of essential oil is the recommended therapeutic dose. Ginger tea. This liquid form of ginger is commonly used to relieve nausea, settle the stomach and relax the body. Have 1 cup 2 to 3 times daily to reduce inflammation. Also, adding a bit of raw honey and lemon to the tea makes it taste great. Ginger powder. Using ground ginger powder for cooking is an excellent way to take advantage of this super spice. I use it in making chicken curry, homemade pumpkin pie and a gingerberry smoothie for breakfast. Also, it can be taken in supplement form as a capsule with the recommended dose of 1000 mg daily. 7 Miraculous benefits of ginger juice, from better digestion to beautiful hair. In India, you will find ginger in every kitchen and as part of every regional cuisine. From being a pungent spice to an aromatic garnish and also integral to some cultural traditions, the ginger root boasts of a wide variety of uses. Besides its culinary use, every part of this versatile herb has potent powers. In fact, in Ayurveda, it has been regarded as the healing spice that can prevent motion or air sickness, improve digestion and reduce joint pain. The spicy ginger juice packs a great nutritional punch and can also serve as a valuable natural medicine. Improves digestion. Ginger juice contains certain volatile oils that can help awaken your taste buds and get the juices flowing. It purifies the mouth and stimulates the production of saliva, which aids the digestion process. Having a combination of ginger juice, salt and lime before or after a meal makes it easier to digest your food. Relieves congestion and cold. Ginger juice has amazing antibacterial properties. Consuming ginger juice with dried pepper can help eliminate mucus and congestion in the lungs. To cure cold, mix equal quantities of ginger juice and honey and drink it warm at least 2 to 3 times in a day. Drinking plain ginger juice can also help in clearing a sore throat. Pain reliever. The fresh juice of ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is known to act as a pain reliever. A very effective remedy for back pain is to mix a spoonful of ginger juice with some olive oil and massage it over your skin. Leave it overnight and you will feel relieved the next morning. It can also help in curing a toothache or a pulsating migraine headache. For a toothache, it is best to keep a small piece of ginger between your cheek and tooth and let the natural juices do the work. For migraine, drink 2 tablespoons of ginger juice with honey. You can even rub some ginger juice on your stomach to get relief from a sinus headache. Controls high blood pressure. In his book, The Healing Herbs, renowned health writer Michael Castleman explains that certain chemical compounds in ginger can help in reducing hypertension or high blood pressure. It prevents blood clots from being formed in your arteries and blood vessels and thus controls blood pressure. According to Castleman, the chemical compounds in ginger can also help lower overall blood cholesterol levels as well as low-density lipoproteins, which can cause heart disease. It is recommended to have a tablespoon of fresh ginger juice twice a day, but you must consult your health expert before doing so. Removes bad breath. The vitamin C in ginger juice helps in killing the bacteria in the mouth that causes bad breath. Mix a spoonful of ginger juice with some lime in warm water and gargle for a few minutes. A cure for acne. This is easily understandable as acne is an inflammatory condition and ginger is known got its anti-inflammatory properties. It is a natural and effective treatment for acne and acne scars. You can directly apply a small amount of ginger juice on the affected area and leave it on for 5 minutes. Rinse with cool water and let it dry. The vitamin C in ginger juice can help in clearing skin blemishes. You can even use the juice to make ginger tea, which is great for detoxifying the skin. Brew the ginger juice with tea leaves. Add some honey and lemongrass to reap more beauty benefits and drink up. According to dermatologist Dr. Deepali Bhardwaj, ginger juice can help remove toxins from the skin and supply more iron through the blood that will leave you with a healthy glow. It can also be applied on cuts or wounds to heal them naturally and prevent scarring. Promotes hair growth. Drinking ginger juice regularly can give you long and strong hair. It may sound repulsive, because of their strong smell, but mixing onion and ginger juice and applying it to your scalp can help your hair grow thick and strong. Make sure you apply it to your scalp properly and leave it for 15 minutes to half an hour. Wash off and dry. Ginger juice conditions your hair and also increase the blood flow to the hair follicles. Moreover, the antiseptic quality of ginger can help prevent dandruff. You can even mix ginger juice with olive oil if you have dry hair. Another very popular hair mask that you can make to promote hair growth is by mixing 4 teaspoons of coconut oil, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 6 teaspoons of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. Apply to your scalp and rinse. After 30 minutes, the sulfur compounds in garlic along with the ginger juice aid hair growth. Ginger is very safe for a broad range of complaints, whether it is taken in a concentrated capsule form, eaten fresh or sipped as a tea or ginger ale. Ginger contains moderate amounts of oxalate. Individuals with a history of oxalate-containing kidney stones should avoid over-consuming ginger. If you're unsure or concerned whether it is safe for you to consume ginger, always consult your doctor.